everyone, and welcome back to another video of Dungeons and Dragons. Let's do some more. Yep, got my barbarian. Oh my goodness, it's a barbarian. Should I make it a male or a female? I'll make it a female barbarian. Has 2 double backs. That's the torch. That's the torch. Nice. So you got the barbarian. Yep. And it's that one. That one. Yep. That one. I'm gonna use the fur for something else. This piece for something else. So glad I got it. So let's open up our other one. Yay! We got our witch. 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 Here's the witch. Yep. There's the witch. Cool ass spell book. How you build it? Like that. So look, there's your spell book. Doo-doo. And that's when you open it up. That's what that is like. And that one is this one. That one. Okay. Next one. Oh, Vampire Lord. Got a rat. Got a rat with him. Yep. Got a goblet. Nice. Got a sword. Pretty nice looking sword. And here's a vampire. So lame. And that one is this guy. That one. That one. Should I put on the blue cape? Yeah, I'll put on the blue cape. There's with the cape. Yep. And last and not least, oh, oh, oh. And then you GIF. Hey there. Yep. Eyeball. Mr. Eyeball. You can make a male version of the other figure. Yep. That's your chest piece. The staff too. Yep. Okay, and that one was this guy right there. And oh.